here. Well, I'm using it today. That's how you do it, y'all. So you guys, I just found out that there has been a tornado warning that will be in effect from 4 p.m. until 8 p.m. tonight. So I have to pack up my tent and my car of all the freaking days. Oh, look at my hair. But yeah, so I gotta pack up my tent and my stuff and head on out at least till 8 p.m. But anyways, you guys, let me get to work in here because I have a lot of stuff in my tent. So, oh my gosh, of all the freaking days, y'all. Seriously, only me. My hair. Hey y'all, I'm all packed. No more. And it's just me. Those people right there, they're not there. They left their tent up. They went to Gainesville. They're gonna ride out this one there. I am staying here in the park. I'm gonna go under a pavilion. So I will let you know how it goes. It's a little bit crazy. From my understanding, there's some people there, so we're gonna go hang out there. Look, y'all. Oh, it's crazy. And it is 2:46, and it's supposed to get here at 4 o'clock. So I will let you know how it goes. I'm all packed up. Got my bed ready just in case. I decided I want to sleep in the car instead of putting my tent up. But good morning. Good morning, you guys. So I don't know if I got a chance to like really explain what happened. So I was honestly going to sleep in my tent. I was going to reposition it because it was at an incline, and the first night I slept in it, I kept rolling. I felt like I was gonna roll out of the net. But yeah, so I was gonna reposition it, and you know, boom, everything hopefully would have been okay. But yeah, so we had a tornado watch. And of course, my thinking was I am surrounded by big trees, tall, big trees, and I just didn't want anything damaging my car, you know, like branches or tree falling over, things like that. But, oh, gosh. Yeah, so ended up coming back to the site because I went to the pavilion, and the pavilion was, I guess, a great place for me to be beside probably leaving the park. But stayed at the pavilion. The bathroom was nearby, you know. Was able to take a shower during that time of waiting. So I made good use of my time. Oh, and I have to show you guys something. Maybe I should do this when I get up. Oh, look, you guys. This is my setup, okay? Look. Okay, so here it is. And I have this foam that I covered in a sheet. And then, of course, my tent. A couple weeks ago, I had to sleep in it. Last night, it wasn't that cold, so I didn't. My blanket. And, of course, my pillow. Right here.
The issue that I'm having is that because of the tent that I'm sleeping on, I start off here and then sometime in the middle of the night, I end up down here. So I have to like constantly keep moving, moving up, and then I'll slide back down and then I have to move back up, and then the process starts all over again. But yeah, this is it. Did you hear that? It's crazy. I hear all these little noises now. Okay, you guys. Yeah. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay. Slide out. It's not really hard, and I'm sure I'll get used to this the more I do it. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Oh. Shit. Oh my gosh, you guys. Mar. Still have to get used to this. But yeah. Sorry for the hair. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, that's better. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is fold this nice and neat. Yay! Is it raining? Do you hear that? It actually looks like a beautiful day, y'all. I don't think it's raining. I think it's maybe the squirrels. And the branches have been probably really wet from the storm. But okay. Putting on my socks. These socks are pretty much clean, y'all. I took a shower yesterday and I put on these socks and I took it off. Going to bed. So they're clean. And I'm trying to adjust to this lifestyle, even though I'm still living at home and I'm just doing this part-time, but eventually I'm going to be doing this full-time. So I'm trying to adjust to this lifestyle, like bringing, minimal clothing and wearing some clothing more than once, You guys, I'm so hungry. Oh, God. Just one for breakfast. Just one until I make coffee. I have to remember, if I lock the car from the inside, I have to unlock it from the inside as well, or the alarm will go off. I haven't done that yet, thank God. I'm trying to, remember. So, but my car, what it does is I unlock it, and then I don't know how many seconds later, it doesn't seem like a lot. It's maybe like 10, 20 seconds. it locks again. And I'm like, why would you do that? So yeah, so you have to unlock it from the car. Let me bring you here. Unlock. See, that's where my tent was. Right over there. It was set up so cute there too. But okay, I'm gonna put on my shoes and then go to the porta potty. Let me turn off this light. Oh, actually, I'm trying to remember to put everything in its place. That way you're not searching everywhere for something that should be in its place. Okay, let me turn off this light. Put this blanket here. See, I have plenty of blankets. I actually have more in the trunk. Thankfully, it's going to be summertime soon, and I won't need them. All of them anyways. So, I put my shoes over here. Put my shoes over here.